Hey everybody, I'm Matt Geiler. I'm here in Hollywood, California for the Chicago Comedy Film Festival. Come along and join me, won't you? Well, Andy Hardy's having a dance. He's having a really juvenile teenage dance. Judy Garland's gonna get in his pants. It's Andy Hardy's teenage dance. Hey everybody, look, it's Mickey Rooney's star here in Hollywood, California. You know what? Mickey Rooney, one of those phenoms of 1930s teen comedies, screwball comedies. Not really a comedian per se, more of a song and dance man. But I think he captured the comedic zeitgeist of the time, and certainly he would have been right at home at the Chicago Comedy Film Festival. Later on, he went on to even more fame, playing the mentally challenged character of Bill in a series of TV movies that was neither comedic nor shot in Chicago. But most of them did make you feel pretty depressed and like you wanted to avoid institutional living at all costs. Let's keep the dream train rolling!